know if you can hear it over the sound of the engine, which is now idling fairly steadily. But my vacuum, it leaks, seems to be coming from the mode switch. And now that it's gotten up to operating temperature, or closer to it, you'll notice there's still a little bit of an odd sound to it, but, and then this hunt here, but the engine idles much better now that I've just ran a bit more gas through it. I think I'm finally getting all of the varnish that was in the tank out of the lines and system, but yeah, definitely running like it's supposed to.